If you're buying a condo in a building with a 421A tax abatement in New York City, you might want to know how much the unabated taxes will be once the abatement expires. Most buyers rely on a listing agent or buyer's agent to obtain this information. But looking this information up yourself is actually really easy, and it probably takes less time to just do it yourself than asking an agent. So in this video, we will show you how to look up the unabated taxes for a condo with a 421A tax abatement here in New York City. I'm Nick at Hauseit. Check out our website, hauseit.com, to learn how to save money if you're buying or selling real estate here in New York City. So let's get started. Let's start with a quick refresher of the 421A program. The original 421A tax abatement program began in 1971 and is named after Section 421A of the New York property tax law. The tax abatement is meant to encourage developers to build multifamily residential buildings with an emphasis on affordable housing here in New York City. There are multiple variations of the 421A tax abatement, ranging from terms of 10 to 25 years. If you see a condo for sale with ridiculously low monthly taxes, like $15 a month, chances are that the building has a 421A tax abatement. One example is One Grand Army Plaza, Apartment 14A. As you can see, this apartment is asking over $2 million, yet the monthly taxes are ridiculously low at just $15 a month. On this particular search portal, we are told that there is indeed a 421A abatement which expires in 2035. The first step in calculating the unabated taxes is to download the property tax bill on the New York City Department of Finance website. Once you're on this page, click the button Download Your Property Tax Bill. Now let's select Property Address Search and input the address. On the left side of the results page, click on Property Tax Bills. Go ahead and select the most recent tax bill. On the second page, we see a billable assessed value of $65,043 and a tax rate of 12.267%. If the building did not have the abatement, the annual taxes would be calculated by multiplying that full billable assessed value of $65,043 by the tax rate of 12.267%, which comes out to $7,979 a year, or $665 a month. However, we see that the 421A actually reduces the billable assessed value by $63,554, and this means that the taxable value is just $1,489 instead of $65,043. Therefore, property taxes are currently just $1,489 times 12.267, or $183 a year. So the abatement is actually reducing the annual taxes for this unit by $7,796 a year. So that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now, before we let you go, we want to remind you that there is no way to predict the future property tax liability for an apartment with absolute certainty. This is because both the city's property tax rate and the billable assessed value will change unpredictably over time. So in other words, while we can calculate the current savings associated with the 421A abatement and the amount of unabated taxes today, we cannot predict exactly what the abated or unabated taxes will be in the future. So there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. We'd greatly appreciate it. I'm Nick at Hauseit, and we'll see you on the next video.